My name is Idrus and I'm happy to be part of Honetop Machinery family. Honetop Machinery is one of the companies in China for production of packaging machineries. Honetop Machinery provides a quality packaging machines for their customers, which is easy to use and reliable to use. Types of packaging machines that provides a Honetop Machinery is powder packaging machines and liquid packaging machines, and also granular packaging machines, and all of the types that packages products. These are the types of machines that we have from Honetop Machinery in Eastern Africa. These machines are used for packaging boundaries like milky boundaries, protein boundaries, coffee boundaries, medicine boundaries, and cosmetic boundaries, and also etc. This machine packages 30 to 60 per minute. And this machine also, the length of this machine can package is 30 to 200, and the width is 30 to 150. This is also a big packaging machine. This can be used to package a half of a kg, which is 500 grams, and it's easy to use.